Hello, everyone. I am going to clean my desk because I don't know why, but it's a catch all. Everything just gets on it. Cups, plates, of course, cups and plates are me. But the rest of it, I just don't know. I just keep putting it on there. I clean it almost every other day and leave it completely empty. By the second day is full. So I'm just cleaning it and I'm trying to get rid of some things. I really, really need to purge. I have way too many things on this little desk that I really don't use or that I'm keeping because, I don't know, because of just maybe, or I might use it. So I'm going to see if the hubby can do a fire tonight in the fire pit. And it's freezing, so I don't know if you'll even want to do that because everything is hard and cold and frozen, and I don't know if you even want to be out there. But anyway, so I'm just going to clean it up as best as I can right now because my mother is already interrupting me, busting in the room without knocking and wanting to know some things that, can you just give me a break? But I don't know. My mom is different. I wasn't raised with her, so it's a little bit different, my relationship with her. She lives with me because my dad died. But it's she's a different person. Not a mom you expect. I love her, but what is the word I'm looking for? Like someone that likes to irritate you on purpose, pushes your buttons just to get a reaction. Why? I don't know. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I try to keep the volume, original volume on very low though. Thanks for watching, guys. Gotta go get something for her. Bye.